I'm riding old school, fuck the new school. I'm riding old school, fuck the new school.
What's up, YouTube? Today we're doing something simple. I'm a 60 miles. Doing the tune up on the old truck. While I got the V6 in here, might as well get it running the best I can before that thing get snatched out. Got the master mechanic, Miles. Master mechanic. Got speaking into existence, dog.
This is not a game, either your ass with us or against us. Made the most out what I had, this the lifestyle I was given. I remember we was young, dropping out my grandma dinner in the 80s. In the back was banging kids, and in tires acting wild. Going on the back to ears, we the number one.
Don't like they building a adapter.
No, I'm saying like it's like one tall open space. So I'm trying to see if I can use this space to
81 a second was a 80. Then I dropped the 80 in collection, getting crazy. Pushed the 70 to the school, no shoes, it was factory. Prom night, I was doing the dash in a 83. My brother got a 76, can't wait to take over the street. 75, truly with the bucket seats. Man, this shit ain't none of me. We just who they wanna be. Round around in history, finna go make history. Old school, fuck that new school.
Alright, y'all, so Miles went to the store to get some get another tool he needed. I took the liberty of go ahead and taking my speakers out because when I bought this truck, I took the liberty of going ahead and taking the sorry if I'm talking funny too. I just left the dentist and have my mouth still numb, so bear with me. But I took the liberty of taking to go ahead and start taking the speakers out because when I bought this truck, the radio didn't work. So, one thing I learned in buying used vehicles, if the radio doesn't work, I don't even want to see if the speakers work or not. You just go ahead and get used. So, these 4x6s taken out, and hopefully I can go to the store today and go ahead and get 2 more, and then get 2 6x9s for the doors, and probably go ahead and get a whole new radio, y'all. I'm not even gonna lie. Just trying to kill 2 birds with 1 stone. So yeah, y'all watch me take the other one out while we wait on him to get back. Let's get it.
Got them like somebody else. I give up everything to save my phone in front of death. Check a flash, finish line. Yeah, I'm winning by myself. Used to ride old schools. I don't wanna ride nothing else. Giving niggas food for thought. I heard that shit could help with health. Drinking Fiji water, devising plans to create some wealth. This is not a show and tell. Mostly niggas show and tell. Now they busting in your front door. They ain't ringing bells. Everything I'm spitting real, making moves without a deal. Transgression, I ain't with that shit y'all niggas trying to sell. Local jokers killed my best friend while he was getting the mail. Thought about retaliating till he told me all was well. In that life you need patience, so I turned into a snake.
Forgot to record this part, but just got the radio out. My boy just pulled up on one hand, man. My boy said long day at work. He done went and picked up the cherries. Yes, Lord. Man, Miles back. You see him up there. You get back up here to him. Just had to knock this out real quick so I can make a decision whether I am going to go ahead and buy a radio and some speakers or am I going to wait? Really don't know.
I be for real. Keep a smile on my face. He rolled on with no cake. My grind every day. I get fly every day. Smile on my face.
Please.
With any job, it's always that one thing that you want to budge. Miles, what's going on?
Fucking
Last spark plug act like it do not want to screw in smooth like the other ones.
Man, we're gonna get it in there though. Get that motherfucker in there.
Okay, each one I do, I'm gonna have to snip it right there. I'm gonna reuse this. And I think it just goes right there. Okay,
Finna start throwing the wires on. Hopefully get this baby wrapped up. What's going on, guys and gals? It is the next morning. I just got off work. So the sun ended up going down and we were short on light. So we wrapped everything up last night about 8 o'clock. And yeah, we got everything squared away last night about 8 o'clock. Big shout out to my boy Miles. She looked out for me, got me right. Let y'all hear it run. And this is a cold start, but I don't have my tripod, so I'm just gonna leave it here. It sounds a whole lot better to me. It sounds healthier. I might have to put some, y'all comment below and let me know how y'all feel about putting dual exhaust on a V6. Now, the way I was raised, we don't do that. But the motor's coming out anyway eventually, so I could. I don't know. Y'all comment below and let me know what y'all think, but everything's squared away. We got everything up and going. I just had to wrap up the video since I didn't get a chance to last night. And yeah, I just wanted to let y'all know we had got everything squared away. I did also pull the radio out yesterday. I pulled the radio out. I pulled all the speakers out. I don't know if I'm gonna go and change those later this week or if I'm just gonna wait. I don't know, but whenever I do decide, y'all be the first to know. That's it for this video. Like, comment, subscribe. Make sure y'all go subscribe to my baby's channel. Make sure y'all go subscribe to our couple's channel. Been at work since 3 o'clock this morning. It's 9:30. I'm finna go take a nap. Peace.